welcome to Osteo and Physio YouTube channel. Today's video is looking at how to foam roller your ITB. So to isolate through the ITB and the tensor fascia lata, we want to foam roller from the upper lateral part of the hip down towards the knee, attaching down towards the fibula. So you can start with the foam roller underneath the knee. You want it to be on the outer lateral side of the leg. You have the back leg bent and you lift up through the upper body, so you determine the amount of pressure going through this area. Foot rotated outwards, and you're going to roll your body down all the way up to the attachment on the upper part of the hip, and then back down again. So it's quite a sensitive area. You want to add the pressure very, very gently. If you find a point that's particularly tight, you can hold it in that position and then continue the movement. Good, and I'd aim for about 10 to 15 cycles of kind of rolling up and down that particular group.